How many channel?
Don't touch me. Oh, you ain't going on. Hold it. You might want to stand back.
Oh, no kidding?
Yeah, I ain't fucking kidding.
High RPM, huh?
Let's stand back farther. What car is this?
Why is it fly that fast? There you go. Oh yeah. Boy, it sounds like a real one, don't it? You can't tell it's on camera. It sounds so real. Well, you ever been by air care? I was in the hospital down there, you see? And that sounds just like it. Can't tell the difference. Ooh, that's cool. Where'd you get that at?
Hobby store. What?
You need to show me how it runs. Sounds like the real thing. Oh yeah, floatable. Them things right there, if you had to replace them, I bet that cost you an arm and a leg.
Oh yeah. $600 helicopter.
Ooh. Man.